Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make an easy silhouette Halloween wreath with very simple and easy to get materials. You will need sticks, bats and ravens or other animals that are all in black, wire twist ties, hot glue, and black spray paint. The first thing we're going to do is arrange any of the larger sticks you have into a circle. This will form the frame of the wreath. To make it secure, we're going to attach the sticks together using the wire ties and hot glue. Now we're going to start filling in the wreath with any of the smaller sticks and attaching them with glue or the wire ties. Once we get the wreath to the size we want, we're going to move on to spray paint both sides of the wreath. Make sure to fill in any of the little spaces so that it's completely black. Once it's dry, we could start attaching our animal forms. I'm using bats for this, and they have little clips on the back so I could clip them on easily, but you could also glue them on. Once the wreath was done, I decided to hang it up and tape some crow forms directly onto the wall so that they look like they're standing on the wreath. And there you have it, a very easy and simple Halloween decoration that you can make quickly and with things that you may have already or that are easy to find. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more if you like these types of videos.